In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Halifax student account online. We'll walk through the whole process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect, what to prepare, and how to avoid common mistakes. Before you begin, it helps to have your passport or driving license nearby, plus your 4-digit UCAS code and your key personal details. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection, and if you're using the mobile app, that it's up to date. Begin by heading to the official Halifax website or opening the Halifax mobile app. You'll be guided the same way on both. From the homepage, look for current accounts, then choose student account. This ensures you're applying for the account designed specifically for students with eligibility requirements tailored to full-time study in the UK. Take a moment to skim any on-screen notes so you're familiar with what Halifax will ask for. Next, start your application. The form is straightforward and takes you through each section in order. Enter your personal details carefully, exactly as they appear on your official documents. This includes your legal name, date of birth, and your contact information. You'll also be asked for your 4-digit UCAS code. Double check it before you continue. Entering the wrong digits can slow things down and may require rechecks later. You'll then upload proof of identity, such as your passport or driving license. If you're taking photos, use good lighting, lay the document flat, and make sure all 4 corners are visible with no glare or blur. If the document is expired or partially cropped, the system may reject it, so it's worth taking an extra moment to get a clear, sharp image. After that, confirm that you're in full-time education and that you're a UK resident. These are standard eligibility checks for student accounts. Answer truthfully and ensure your details match your official records. Consistency helps prevent delays. Once everything looks correct, submit your application and wait for approval. Before you hit submit, give your information one last review to catch any typos or missing fields. Approval times can vary, and you may receive updates by email, in the app, or both, so keep an eye on your notifications. If approved, your account will be opened and ready to use. You'll be able to access it online or through the Halifax app to view your balance, manage payments, and get started with everyday banking. And that's it, your Halifax student account is set up. Thanks for following along, and well done on getting it done the right way the first time.